here at Castlemaine. Sorry I didn't give you any opportunity to request here. I didn't know that I'd be filming here, but we have a Velocity BL44 departing. And we have another Velocity arriving as well. BL28 Eaglehawk. Velocity going over there towards Bendigo's and Eaglehawk service. This is a Southern Cross service. The Velocity that is going towards Eaglehawk is still, oh no, it started to move, but it was stopped at the signals for quite a long period of time. VL28 is still there. Now closing on the Velocity. Its next stop will be either Malmesbury or Kyneton. Walking across the small crossing to get to platforms 2 and 3. Look towards Bendigo and Melbourne. These platforms 2 and 3. Platform 2 is usually used for services towards Bendigo. Platform 1 towards Southern Cross. Platform 3 is usually used for Goldfields services. The Victorian Goldfields Railway, sorry. And that goes between Malden and Castlemaine. Don't think they're running today, unfortunately. As a result of this being the terminus of Victorian Goldfields Railway trains, there's quite a few tracks. There's a few old wagons up the track. One saying explosives. Don't think it contains any, of course. I think there's a turntable up there as well. Some old semaphore signals, probably still used. Station sign. And a look at this platform 1 station building. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like the video, and see you all in the next vlog. Bye for now.